Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie crafting page. I'm starting with two wooden blocks from Dollar Tree. Once I got the glue on it, I'm just eyeballing it to try to make sure it's even. I'm putting these two on here because this is where we're going to stick the trunk of the tree is going to go down between those. So I'm going to put some glue on this other one. And y'all, these are the Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree. They call it the tumbling tower game. You've got 2 together vertically, 3 together horizontally, and 2 sets of 5 horizontal. I'm using these metal cookie sheets from Dollar Tree. There you have it. And now I'm going to cut it out, and I'm just going to take my scissors and just cut around all the blocks. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my Waverly Antique Wax and just stain this wood with it. And I'm just going to put some glue down in here so I can stick her down in there. And I'm just putting me just a little bit of Mod Podge on this paintbrush. I'm just pressing my cinnamon around a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a topper for it. Is that not cute? A little primitive tree.